All right, y'all. We having some serious. Look at this thing. Some serious difficulties here over here with connecting GHL to getting blocked at step one. They never get to see the form at all. This means the webhook data isn't being saved to the database. I need to update the webhook handler to accept the exact format GHL is sending. Once that's fixed, webhooks will save properly. Those emails will be authorized. They'll get access to the form. The info will autofill. Sorry, so dramatic. All right, so let's do it. I guess you already know what's happening now. I can't get the information passed over. So the issue I'm having, let me just start over. So the issue that I'm having is not being able to get GHL to pass the emails over to the app. And what's going to happen? I was waiting for that. When the emails are passed over to the app, then the app authorizes the person to access the assessment. And hopefully, the idea is to populate the fields on the app so they won't have to be done again. And supposedly, what Agent 3 just said is that's why the information is not passing through is because the fields, the data fields from the form in GHL doesn't match up with the data fields on the app. So we'll see. Right now, I just flipped it into the build mode for it to address this issue. It took all last night going back and forth working on it to figure out that was the issue. Actually, it mentioned it earlier, and for some reason, it allowed me to keep trying other stuff before it finally said, unfortunately, here's the deal. And then it said it again. I'm like, dog, man, why you ain't just, I was trying to trying other stuff. Why you ain't just tell me? Nah, it's not that, it's not that, it's not that. This is what it is. This is what we need to do. All right, let me get over here to the app. But everything seems to be working well outside of that. Like just going to the app and using it, it works. Sends the report. Report is formatted nicely. The email is even better. The email that you get to tell you that a report was done and give you a report on the report. A matter of fact, once I don't want to stop the progress right now. Something is working that I want to actually put out there and see how it's received. But once I get that version live, then I'm going to go and see about having the report to the assessment delivered in the same way my report is about the person signing up or doing the assessment. Nope. It says, I understand you deleted the contact and re-enrolled in GHL, but you need to republish. I'm like, I already republished before I did all that. Now what you got to say? Agent 3, what do you have to say? I'm pulling the developer off of the language app tomorrow. It's just problem after problem after problem. There's just no point in keep going with that, at least right now. And if not right now, then probably ever. But I kept thinking It was this close, and then something else will happen. Issue after issue after issue. So either he'll work on the language app that I started or the trucking app. Then check if the email is in your production database by visiting this URL in your browser. Well, looks like I don't even have a production database. Hold on, let me take a step back and think about this. The webhook code looks correct, but we can't verify it's actually working on production. Here's what I suggest. Check GHL's webhook delivery logs. Go high level should show you if the webhook was successfully delivered. Can you check it? It's not you. So it says go here and get a URL. So let's try it. Oh, man. Oh, that was easy. Unique email address. Interesting. Let's see. In your GHL workflow, screenshot show, click add new trigger. Add a webhook action. You can only have one trigger. Wait a minute. If this works, this is golden. This works, this is golden. Y'all remember this. How can I? Oh, I can put it in the transcript. Solution to access denied, user not found between GHL and Replit. Potential solution. We're about to find out now. As we try it again. Data fields. Oh, wait. Let's see. The webhook should now capture the email and tag correctly. Save contact data, name, business, and phone number to the database. When access the form, autofill contact information. Ready to publish and test? Yes. Let's. Perfect. I'll fix the webhook handler. Okay. Okay, we'll see. We'll see, buddy. It's cold up here in Carolina. All should is published. It's published. Now it's time to test. Can I get a drum roll, please? Can I get a drum roll? Put it on. Here we go. Y'all think they got it? Progress at last. Oh, right now. I don't know if that's what I put in here. Oh, hurry on. I think so though. I don't think I changed any of that. Whew, excellent. Sorry, I didn't do that in your ear. Excellent. Now we can move on to something else. I don't know the LTV, which is one thing is okay. On the results page. Well, let me fill this out and show you the results page. Well, I don't even think you see me go through the whole thing, right? Do I want? All right, I'll show you the first page. What brings you here to not on the list? And for referral, I could say referred by who? Anyway, let's move forward right now so we can see that nothing is broken. Let's do I just remembered something. I don't have a website. I could have used that service area. Sign. and work. Ooh, progress. However, could not get so basically, I should have paused until I finished. Basically, I asked it, what is the so basically, I asked it, what is the best practice in this type of scenario where we're combining the development environment with Replic's development environment and GHL, another site basically. Because this time for me it's GHL, but what if it's something else somebody else is working in and connecting it to? Like the question is, am I supposed to know how to switch over, in this case, a webhook from when I'm working on the site in the development environment and then switch it back? Like, am I supposed to know all of this? Or has this been already accounted for in the code for Replit, knowing that, people are going to try to attach different things and connect things, and you got to work in the development environment on Replit? How did the other side know what to do? I don't know. So this is what I'm asking it to break this down. How does it work? Am I handling this right? Like maybe I suppose I had gave it the URL, the webhook for working the connect to Replit instead of the production environment. I thought that I was just, giving it what it needed in order so it didn't have to be changed later. But of course, with complications, now you got it breaks the flow because I can't test it in here on my side. I got to make it live and then test it, and then they got to do something in here if there's an issue, which now I'm wondering, does that cause problems? Anyway, so that's what I'm asking. And like, explain this to me. How is this supposed to work? Am I doing it the way that I'm doing it by sending it to production environment, the regular website? Am I messing up? Am I working against myself? And I should be sending it to here. This is what I'm trying to find out and understand. So let's see what it says. Let me say, are you following what I am asking? And does it make sense? And let's put this in plan mode. And let's go. See what it says. Webhook is working. Did I try it again? Post plugin did not pass the from option. From decided on explaining the development versus production challenge. The core issue: development runs at a Replit preview URL, changes constantly. Only you can access. Production runs at your custom domain. Core high-level webhook needs one specific URL. They can't automatically switch. Why this is tricky? When GHL sends a webhook, it goes to whatever URL you configured. That's always the one environment. You configured it to hit production. So webhooks, production, getting them. Development, no webhooks. Can't see what's happening. Well, I just did additional webhooks, so why can't I do that too? Best practice for your situation. Option 1, debug in production. Safest for your case. Since you have paying users potentially using this, keep GHL pointing to production. And better logging error reporting to production. Use the debug endpoint I created to check production database. Publish fixes and test with GHL contacts. Option 2, temporary development testing if needed. If you absolutely must test webhooks in development, copy your Replit development URL, the preview URL. Temporarily change GHL webhook to that URL. Test the integration. Option 3, use environment variables. Pro solution. The magic way apps handle this. Code checks. If production, use production GHL setup. If development, use development GHL setup. Same code works everywhere, just different URL keys. The real answer to your question, no endpoints don't automatically magically adjust. You have three choices. Manual switching, testing, production, dual webhooks. Well, why can't I just do dual webhooks? Since you're stuck with a submission error on production, don't change the webhook. It's working now. Sign in works. Let me add better error toggling so we can see production errors. Test the submission. This isn't about you being the bottleneck. This is a real technical challenge that even experienced developers face. External webhooks are always tricky because they're outside your control. Want me to add better error logging? Well, well, just like like I added an additional webhook to go to that debugging site. Why can't an additional webhook go to development? Because I didn't know you could do that. But since I just sent it to production and to that debugging site a minute ago, why can't I just send it here? That's the question. Today is this weekend is A&T's homecoming, and I'm up in here doing no code for you guys. Okay, it's for me too, but I could have put it all for me and did it later, but I got to have the video done to upload. Look, you're absolutely right. That's actually perfect solution. It's ridiculous, man. Since Go High Level lets you add multiple webhooks, you already proved this with webhook site. You can actually, absolutely, do webhook 1 to the production, webhook 2 to here. All right. Your development URL is the Replit preview URL. Oh, okay. You'll see something like add API webhook to the end. Well, that's that. I had crossed my mind before, but I just thought that you probably couldn't do that. Otherwise, why wouldn't we already be doing that? Whoa. What's all of this? You exceeded your current quota. Please check your plan and billing details. Oh, okay. That's what's up. He said something about OpenAI. Ah. You hit the free tier or billing needs credit added. All right. That's a good problem to solve. So just, I'm going to mess it down. Go to platform. Drum roll. Can we get a drum roll? Nope. Submission failed. Let's do that as well. Man, you don't have to go over. Internal server error. Post internal server error. Perfect. I can see the exact error now. Internal server process submission. OpenAI issue high level email API issue database problem is the data in the submission. Here's what we should do. Yeah, let's add that development idea already. All right. Let me try it here. Try it again. Wait a minute. Okay, here. Oh, okay. Yeah, it worked then. Oh, but I need to set the submission how quick. Excellent. It works. I think it's already going past, maybe. I don't think there was this much iteration before. We got a pretty quick response last time. Wowzers. Let's see how this works. Oh yeah, it's copying instead of actually doing the share thing. I want to change that. $12.20. That ain't it. Well, I'll go to the bathroom. Check this out in a minute. All right. This one they sent to spam. So I'll be sure to come over here and unspam it. Not spam. Then come back over here and check it properly. And I'll show you what it looks like. Your report is ready. So you have an attachment. You also have the email. The name's called, that's good. Wasn't working before. Email, oh, let's move from the spam folder, okay. And here's what it looks like. Business growth report prepared for newbie. Right now, that's the name, that's the website that we put in. The download right here, let's see if it works. Okay. Right now, operates, wait a minute. Why did I do that? Now where is it at? Right now operates as lead generation business in the fitness industry within Greensboro. Primary their primary offering of leads is their differentiated and highest profit product. However, the current lack of website access and clarity in their business focus is significantly impacting their potential customer acquisition. I think this verbiage needs to be changed from second person to first person. I think I gotta ask about it. Due to the absence of customer lifetime value data estimating this based on industry averages suggests that the LTV for fitness clients can range from 1,000 to 2,500 depending on the service provided. Addressing the gaps identified could greatly enhance the overall business performance in the competitive world. Implement the AI voice through Go High Level to automate lead responses and capture inquiries 24/7, tailored for your fitness business. Quick wins. Start asking your current customers for Google reviews to bolster your online reputation. Offer a discounted trial of your highest profit product for a free introductory service to attract new leads in Greensboro, clearly promoting the value of your leads. So far, so good. I love it. Foundations snapshot right now has a clear focus on generating leads because that's all I answer. Leads, which is a crucial aspect of fitness industry. Existing word of mouth referrals show that there is a base of satisfied customers. Good. I like it. This thing is going to help some businesses. Areas for improvement. Your website does not reflect that you operate in the fitness industry, nor the leads industry, actually. Much. Which could confuse potential customers. The lack of local SEO mention of Greensboro on your website limits your visibility within the community. This is excellent. I like it. Your action plan this week, update your website to clearly state that you're a fitness business in Greensboro. This is crucial for attracting local clients. Set up a system to collect and showcase customer feedback, including Google reviews, to enhance credibility. In the next 30 days, create a sales funnel using Go High Level that captures leads through your website, nurtures relationships, and turns them into clients by highlighting the value of your offerings. Next 90 days, I think we can give them more to do in these 30 and 90 days. Over the next 60 to 90 days, we need to say 60, not 90. Establish a comprehensive marketing strategy that leverages your unique selling point of generating leads, utilizing local SEO and community-focused content to drive traffic and conversions in Greensboro. Key recommendations: consider partnership with local gyms or fitness. I'm sorry, I just keep having thoughts as I go through this. Ideas and revelations in order to make it even more powerful. Because I think earlier in the video I showed you that there were some courses that I had put up in the membership area. Well, I could do courses that expound on some of the feedback in the form, and then have the form, when something is mentioned that is related to a course, then a link is created that goes straight to the course. But then again, that could be counterproductive because then it stops the person from reading through the entire report. But anyway, over the next 60 to 90 days, establish a comprehensive marketing strategy that leverages your unique selling point of generating leads, utilizing SEO and community-focused content to drive traffic. Consider partnership with local gyms or fitness influencers to expand your reach and credibility in the Greensboro market. Develop educational content and lead generation for fitness business to position right now as an expert resource driving traffic back to your site. I don't need to do the course. This is part of this is the stuff that I'm talking about in the course. Excellent. Okay. Uh, Invest in remarketing strategies to re-engage past visitors to your site, encouraging them to consider your services again. That's the Fab 5 framework. Next, let's talk about momentum. The insights above show you where you are. Now, let's look at the 3 practical updates that can move right now forward right now. Section 1, sharpen your offer and audience focus. For right now, a fitness business serving Greensboro is essential to clarify your unique offering to attract your target audience effectively. Currently, potential clients may not understand what you provide because your messaging lacks specificity related to fitness. Action steps clearly define the specific types of leads you generate and how they benefit fitness. Excellent. Create marketing materials that highlight success stories from your current clients. Excellent. Begin networking within local fitness communities. Excellent. To position yourself as an authority on lead generation. Coach and insight. Clarity creates confidence in your audience. Section 2. What happened? Oh, it is 3. 24/7 sales rep. Your website exists, but that's about all. Immediately update the homepage. Incorporate local SEO keywords. Use testimonials from satisfied clients. Section 3, build a daily outreach habit. Based on your current approach or relying on word of mouth referrals, here's how to amplify that. Building a consistent outreach habit that will allow you to leverage your existing customer base effectively. Action steps. Regularly follow up with past clients to ask for referrals and feedback on your service. I don't know. Well, I mean, then it's not the same person over and over again, of course. Encourage satisfied customers, but it could be mistaken for that. I don't think so. Encourage satisfied customers to share their experiences on social platforms and their local community groups. Start offering exclusive deals to existing clients who refer new customers, enhancing your word of mouth unnoticed. Oh, enhancing your word of mouth strategy. Incorporate AI voice tools to respond to inquiries and follow-ups automatically, ensuring no lead goes unnoticed. Coach insights, small daily actions lead to big results over time. Section 4. Okay, getting busy, huh? Let's talk momentum. Oh yeah, I always had section 4. Consistency in your business efforts will compound to yield significant results. Commit to these actions daily. You will start to see the benefits unfold. You now have everything you need to take action on your own. If you prefer to go the DIY route, you absolutely can. For automation, lead capture, follow-up, and client engagement, I recommend Go High Level. It's the same platform we use to manage and scale everything from one dashboard. It's the best tool for your business, combining multiple functionalities under one roof. You can explore it here at our affiliate link. That is not a link. For full disclosure, we're affiliates for Go High Level, but we recommend because it's what we actually use. That's where you landed before you got here. Focus, visibility, consistency. Yeah, I think it's kind of cool. Share this. See, this is a link. Why that couldn't be a link? This report was generated using AI for best report results. Implement recommendations systematically. What? Oh. Content is blocked. Contact the site owner to fix the issue. What is it? Oh, okay. All right, so, hey, what y'all think about that? Why is this link blocked? Oh, probably got to deal with it on that. Here is the report that the user gets, that I get, put it that way. If I can start getting. So you see unsuccessful. You see oh, you see the top 3 emails, error detected in sub account. Interesting. It told me it was an error. Alright, so the first one is an error. But you see the difference, I don't know if you can see it. One says the score is 115, and 100 means, 100 is 100% needs something that you offer, and 100% usually means several things. And the other score just doesn't give the score because the score isn't as high. Well, let me show you how it looks. Oh, okay. This is the same person, but one is, all right, so my PDF is not working, at least not in Microsoft. But the other email is the one with the score. And this is what I was talking about. I like how this looks. Because it's not a download, it's just got a little color, got a little organization, got cards, you know. I like this. So I want theirs to be like this, and then you have the PDF downloads too, but I like this. Uh-huh. And you see all the tags are attached to the form so that when they click or don't click certain fields, then a tag is generated so that the person knows the situation. Because don't forget, um, you might also need to be doing a consultation with the company, and so this information is useful in knowing how to do the consultation with them. All right, so where we at? What's the problem now? All right, let me pause you. So I asked it, could all of the mentions of Go High Level be affiliate links? It said, well, I guess it's going to fix it. And also the share button. The share button to actually share instead of just copying. But I said I need two, one for sharing and one for copying, which also means we need the meta tags and description. Uh, what social media? What else? Oh, image. An image. An image. I need to think of an image. Open graph. Yeah, that's what I was trying to think of. Oh, yeah. You create images now. Show me an image you can come up with to represent the brand. Also, I need a favicon. What is this? A blue, same color as website with a golden M as large as you can make it the same, make the M, you know, the same color as the gold, I should say rust orange buttons. Oh, did you get that? Disable. Oh, we can fix that. Here's the image tool that it was talking about. Where is it? Oh, I need to wait till it stopped, though, I think. Ha! Transition from plan to bill. Checkpoint made just now. Free. Well, of course, it's free. All right, y'all. So we have made a significant milestone. The thing is, wait, but the question is, we are now able to, oh, yeah, it is block. Okay. So, yeah, significant milestone. It can now be safely deployed with only authorized users able to access it. And we've learned what to look out for and how to go about navigating this type of setup with Go High Level. And I think the next thing will be deploying this and then adding a dashboard. Yeah. So that analytics, of course, analytics and some other stuff, I suppose. But all right, thank y'all for watching. Questions, comments, suggestions.